Welcome to data mining and data warehousing tutorials. Hello friends, in this video we will see how to generate association rules with the help of WEKA. For that, first click on Explorer interface. WEKA Explorer window will appear. Now load the dataset. This PC, C drive, program files, WEKA, data and select weather.nominal.arff file. For generating association rule, your file must contain nominal attributes. Click on Open. Now the data is loaded. For generating association rules, we will make use of Associate tab. It will discover association rules. So, click on Associate tab. You can see a priori algorithm is selected. Now, click on Start button. In the associator output, you will see output. The name of relation weather.symbolic, number of records 14, number of attributes 5, outlook, temperature, humidity, windy, play. These are all attributes. Generated sets of large items, total number of cycles 17, minimum support 0.15, and you can see the 10 best rules are found. If attribute is outlook and its value is overcast, the value of play is yes. If temperature is cool, the humidity is normal. In this way, 10 best rules are generated. You can also change the number of rules found. For that, click on this algorithm. Here, number of rules 10. Set it to number you want. I will set 3. Click on OK and click on Start again. Now you can see the best 3 rules are generated. This is how association rules are generated in WEKA software. जर तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ समजला असेल, आवडला असेल, तर व्हिडिओला नक्की लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि तुम्ही जर या चॅनलवरती नवीन असाल, तर अशाच नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी कम्प्युटरची दुनिया चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. थँक यू.